welcome back to my channel. One of my best friends from college is having her baby next month, and she's having her baby shower next week. So I thought I would do a full vlog kind of her baby shower. I made her a little canvas with like a little welcome sign for her baby shower. I wanted to show you guys what I got for her and then just film me getting ready and film the baby shower. So I thought it'd be a really fun video. So first I'm gonna show you guys making her sign, which was a pain in the ass, but it was so rewarding and it turned out so cute. I'm headed to Michael's or Hobby Lobby to get stuff for a new sign. We're doing a new one. I'll put the inspo on the page right here, but I need to get vinyl and then some flowers for this. And then for the like Pooh Bear, I think I'm just gonna order a decal or see if they have any cute decals, but I doubt they will. Canvas. First things first, we need to grab one of these. These are actually really good prices, and I love how thin this is. And then I think I'm gonna grab some Mod Podge to put the flowers on and some super glue. I was 2 years old when I found out that they had these tiny guys of Mod Podge, which is perfect. And then I want like a cute green. My boyfriend's parents gave us this printer for Christmas, and I was like, I'm never ever going to use that. And now here I am using it for a project. I made a few trips back to Michael, got some things. I got a bigger canvas that fit on the easel way better. I got vinyl. I was gonna get sticker paper, but then I saw that they had printable vinyl, and I feel like vinyl will look nicer. So we'll see. So I got that, and then I have pink and brown vinyl for the words. So I'm first gonna open this printer, set it all up. Guys, I've been so stressed about this project, and I finally figured it out. Oh my gosh. I put her whole baby shower theme is Winnie the Pooh, and I wanted to make a Winnie the Pooh sticker. The sticker that I found, it was gonna be too big to print it out on 8.5 by 11 paper. So I had to split the Winnie the Pooh sticker up into 4s. It took me forever forever to figure out how to do that. We figured it out. Now we have 4 sticker sheets of Winnie the Pooh. Okay. Next issue we have. I'm going to remember this for the next time I sell someone. I will do this for them, and I'll be so much better prepared. So I only have a mat that's 12 by 12, but her canvas is like 24 by 30, so the words are longer than 12 inches. So I have to go get another one. I have to make another trip. This will be my 3rd trip to Michael's. The same guy checked me out this time as he did last time. This time he asked me for my Instagram, and I was like, sir, you look like you're 18 and I have a boyfriend. No. And I cannot go back, but I don't feel like going to another location, so I will go back because I need to get a bigger mat. But now I'm going to figure out how to cut these sticker paper. Hopefully it goes right. Okay, y'all, I'm not stressed anymore. I'm excited because I think I did it. I printed everything out in 4ths so that it could fit on the pages. And the quality is really good. I got the image from Etsy. Guys, look how stinking cute this is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Freaking cute. Oh, he's cute. Oh, he might be getting hungry though. He's like opening his mouth. I'm glad you're all being together. Girlfriend's crying, Miranda's crying. That's when Jordan freaks out. It's like, take accountability. Take ownership right now. That's what I did. I said, no, take ownership. That was wild. And then I guess she didn't know. I am weeding out this vinyl, and I found this hack that I just thought about doing. I always struggle when I'm weeding out my vinyl because there's always like so much extra. And it printed all this information out on one huge sheet. I ended up getting a bigger mat today. And so it makes it even harder because there's so much on here, and it just makes it easier. If you have a Cricut, you know what it is like weeding, and it's like a huge sheet, and missing the dots of your eyes, the worst thing ever. So I'm making sure I'm getting all the dots, and I'm just making it a little bit easier by getting out this extra with an X-Acto knife. It just came with my Cricut, and I think it's a great idea. So I have a few hours to kill to do this. I'm almost done. I'm so excited. It was really easy. Getting the supplies was truly the hardest part. But yeah, I'm almost done. I just have to weed this out. I already did their names, and you guys saw I did Pooh Bear last night. So I'm gonna weed this out, and then I'm gonna place it all on the board and see what it looks like. I've just been watching Secret Lives of Warm Wives. It's a good pastime show. I have taken me a lot to watch it. Like I watched the first season right when it came out. This one it took me a while, but it's great trash TV to watch when you're working at arts and crafts apparently. So I am opening up my canvas and I'm going to lay out everything on here how I want, and I thought I'd show you guys. I think I may have messed things up though because I wanted the vinyl. I think I may have messed it up the way I cut it. I thought I was giving you a half, but it may make things difficult for me. But it is what it is, you know? I feel like I often make a lot of things harder than they need to be, and this might be it. No! Okay, I think I ruined this. I ruined it because I put it on the sticker tape and I thought it would be fine. It's vinyl. Well, note to self, it's not fine. I have to print this all out again. That's a lot of work. But note to self, do not put printable vinyl on transfer paper. I'm just gonna have to stick it directly to the canvas.
Talked about. Yeah. I like the entire very busy weekend, knowing your girlfriend gets nervous around people. You mentioned anxiety. And
This
when it comes to like
is pissing me off. I don't know who made these, but taking the back off of this is so hard. There we go. Okay. I think this is good. The only thing that I messed up on was the honey. I already reprinted it. I'm gonna take it off and restick it because it was so frustrating, you guys. Peeling off the vinyl. Who knew? But that this would be so hard. But I think it's because it's canvas and it's not hard underneath. So I ended up putting books so that it was firm. So I'm going to try and redo the honey. I already printed it out. I just have to weed it and do it. I kind of am procrastinating. I really don't feel like doing it. But this is my last step. Okay. I'm on the home stretch of this. I'm super excited. I spread out the bumblebees. I have 6 of them. So I spread them out over the canvas. And now I'm going to fill out, see how I want to kind of organize the flowers. Her baby shower colors are pink and yellow, so I'm going to use those, and I also have white flowers that I can use. I'm just going to spread them out around the edge of the canvas, and then I got Mod Podge in E6000, so I'm going to like E6000 in the center of the flower, and then Mod Podge on top of it, and hopefully that'll look okay. I haven't used Mod Podge in so long. Alright, so the sign is all done. I glued everything down. I've been just laying on the couch because my back hurts so bad because I was so hunched over the whole process, and this took me a while to make. But I'm so happy it's all done. I need a break. I need to clean up. I literally made a mess because like I have all the stuff I used to like tape the flowers down, empty flowers. I'm just gonna vacuum them up. My Cricuts out, which I put away in my closet, so I've got to do that. Put all my Cricut supplies away. I did pretty good about cleaning up as I went, but I just feel like a slob, and I'm usually not the one to be like this. So like I need to get rid of all of it or like clean up. Okay, so now I thought it would be fun to do a little haul of everything I got her. First, I'll show you. I just got her this little gift bag. Pink and white stripes, and then I got some pink tissue paper. She's having a girl, if you couldn't tell yet. I also got some shredded paper because I got her one of those bins that you can like put diapers and diaper cream in. You can like bring it around the house, and I plan on using the cellophane I'm gonna put some of the gifts in it, or put the shredded paper in it, then the gifts, and then some cellophane to wrap it up. So I got that. Now onto the gifts that I got her. A lot of this stuff she asked for, and then some of the stuff I just decided to go AWOL and get whatever I wanted for her. So first I got her this Key Babies original baby wrap carrier. This looks like a soft carrier, not a structured one, so she can use this whenever the baby is little. Also, background, I'm a labor and delivery and postpartum nurse, so I've seen lots of newborn products. Obviously not all of them, but a lot of them they bring to the hospital, and I'm like, you don't need that. I saw this, I don't even know, I don't even know where I saw this. Something for her that I got is a pajama set. It says Mama on the top. These are from Target. They're the Autumn brand. I got her a Perry bottle, but homegirl is so impatient and ended up buying herself one. And I was like, why would you do that? She literally had this on her registry. So she's not getting this. She said she wanted books for her baby, and she specifically wanted a German book because she speaks German. She's from Germany. This one's like a bilingual book. It's Oh No, Bruno's But a Dog. I thought it was fun because she has, not her, but her parents have dogs. Her parents have German Shepherds, and I thought she wanted like to use, she didn't want cards, she wanted us to write like a little note in the book. I don't know if anyone's gonna do that because I remember her mentioning it, but I don't know if she actually told anybody. But I remembered, and I thought, and it'd be cute and fun in here to write something in German. She's gonna be like, what the fuck does this mean? Because like, you know, when someone uses Google Translate, it does not work because I'm gonna use Google Translate. I'm just gonna write something cute, like, love you, baby. And then this book I got from Sam's Club. I got that one from Amazon. This is Goodnight Cuddles, and it has bunnies on here. She has bunny rabbits, which is why I got her this one. I'm gonna reorganize, but I just shoved it in here for comfort. Guys, I got her so much, and I wanted to get her more. I was at Target the other day, and I was like, oh, let me look for stuff for Keisha. And then I was like, girl, no. I got her some CeraVe baby lotion, Aquaphor, like baby butt cream. I got her a couple swaddle sets, which is so funny because I got her the swaddles and I told her I freaking hate in the hospital. They might be better when babies are older, but I don't have older kids. I work with newborns. But I hate muslin swaddles. They are not stretchy. They don't work for swaddling. They might as well just be like lightweight muslin blankets. But I got her a set of them, and it came in like with so many. Literally, like, I think, is this one too? I don't know. It came with 3 or 4 of them. And they're like green. She really wanted like nice like green tone things, not pink. So I got her those. I also got her like a muslin bath blanket. Oh, this one. So it's like has a little place like for the hood, and then it's a blanket. But then again, I'm like, this cannot be good to absorb. But this was on her registry, so I would just follow on what she told me to get her. I got her this cutie little onesie set. It's like so cute. Just green on the front, and then it has like a little moon and stars on here. But I did get her a cute little set of mittens as well. Of course, I got her Tylenol. I got her a labor gown, which she said she ordered herself too when this was on her registry. And then I got her this cute, this is the first thing I got her, this cutie. So her whole baby shower theme is Winnie the Pooh. So I got her this cute Winnie the Pooh set from, where is this from? Sam's, if I can undo it. It's 6 months, but she's due in July, so this will be perfect for the weather when her daughter is 6 months old. And it has a long sleeve, and it comes with just like a onesie, which she can also just use the onesie if she doesn't want to put everything else on. It's just like cute, like Winnie the Pooh theme. This is definitely a boy outfit, but it looks cute. It would work for a girl. And it came with these cute little pants. The like portable Hatch sound machine. This one also came in a set. I tried to once I saw that all these things came in one set, I just she clearly likes greens and monstera leaves and stuff. Like a lot of the stuff she put on there was that. So this one came in a set of 3, and these are the what are these called? Not swaddles. Sleep sacks. This is huge. I tried to stick to her registry. I didn't want to get her stuff that she didn't want. So that's what I did. I got her what she asked for on her registry. Oh, and then this basket she asked for too, which is like her diaper caddy. I'm going to figure out a way to put all this in here. Really cute. I got this gift bag just for the stuff that wouldn't fit in there because everything wouldn't fit. So I know for sure these books are gonna go in the gift bag, probably her pajama set. And I'm gonna do like the baby stuff. I'll do her medicine, all in there. And then put the hatch in the compartment behind it. And then I think I'm gonna just try and fold up her clothes cute. This is the first friend that like the first friend that I've known before they were pregnant that is having a baby. So I think that's cute. So I put the bath blankets here are her outfits, and then underneath are the sleep sacks. And then I just used the paper to lift up that. I think this is cute. I'm gonna just leave it like that. I'm gonna tape up the sides, obviously. I think it was cute with that, but I didn't have enough tissue paper to cover up everything in there. It is a baby shower day, and of course we're running late. I was supposed to get there at 11. I told her already that I probably wouldn't be there on time, and I'll be closer to 12. It's 11:15. We went to go to F45 this morning, and then we went to Target to get some diapers. I got nail polish because my toes aren't painted, and I'm wearing sandals, so I'm about to quickly paint my toenails. I did my hair in the shower, and now I've got to do my makeup, but we're running late. We're getting ready to leave. Here's the fit. Dress is from Abercrombie. Shoes are from Amazon. The hair is still wet, but we gotta go. It's 11:42.
I wish I would have known because I would have brought my little pen things. I think it's bad. No, that's cute. Yeah. No, I think it's fine.
You're recording.
Yeah. Oh, it is. I saw one.
I cannot with you.
Next. And then
Right? Like, what are the chances? It's $4 on there. I didn't write it on there.
Girl, it's fine.
You don't want that.